Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a crucial part for your kitchen, the best dishwasher gasket seal you can get your hands on. I'm excited to introduce you to the W11177741 dishwasher gasket door seal by Lusperi.
Whether you're dealing with leaks or a dishwasher door that won't close properly, this could be the solution you've been looking for.
The W11177741 is designed for compatibility with a range of dishwashers including Whirlpool, Kitchenaid, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana models. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring you get a seamless fit and optimal performance.
Let's talk about what sets this gasket apart. It's engineered to be easy to install,
meaning you can replace it yourself without needing to call in a repair service. This not only saves you time but also money. The gasket is made from durable materials, promising longevity and resilience against the rigors of daily dishwasher use.
Its robust construction ensures a tight seal, preventing water leaks and ensuring your dishwasher operates efficiently.
Installing the W11177741 is straightforward. It's designed for DIY installation, so even if you're not a handyman, you should be able to handle it.
Just follow the included instructions and you'll have your dishwasher up and running in no time. In conclusion, if you're dealing with a leaking dishwasher or a door that just won't close properly,
the W11177741 dishwasher gasket door seal by Lusperi is a fantastic choice.
It's reliable, easy to install, and won't break the bank. Plus, with Amazon's customer service and return policies, you can buy with confidence.
That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.